So hi guys, thanks for joining us today. We will show you in this video how you can catch bait easily to catch some bigger fish.
Okay, now we're going to show you how to make your trap to catch some bait easily. So first you take a sharp knife, you stick it in a good place, and you just start cutting the top.
Just like that.
Put some meat or vegetables, whatever the fish eat in your area, and you put the top on. Just like that. So we will swim right here, and they can't get out.
Yep. Because fish are really stupid, so they won't know how to get out.
They can fit like little fish or yabbies, whatever, prawns even.
So we now gonna stick some bait in and throw them out in the water, and we'll see if we catch something.
Yeah.
So we put this in the water for like 2 hours, and I've seen a few little fish that would be like perfect bait, and they were all after this. I don't know why you would like vegetables as a fish, but I don't know if you can see it. They're like 3, I think, little fish.
I don't know if you can see them.
And yeah, they're like perfect for bait.
Oh yeah.
So we are not gonna use them right now, but we're gonna put them in a better fishing pond, because it was like in some old shit where they won't grow well, and I hope they will be big fish later,
So we can catch
so
them.
we can catch them then. Just gonna release them here. Bye.
Come on, mate.
Come on, swim.
Yeah, they're so little, I don't think we can
All out. Oh.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Oh yeah.
See you sinking it real fast, and I think my feet will be all the way down before I can get in the bottom.
Can do it, man.
Food prints from some birds everywhere. It's just mud.
Yeah, bring it over here. Better take that out.
Oh, nothing.
So guys, we're like 10 minutes later after we chucked in those 2 pots, and this is the result. So you see there are 2 big ones and 1 small, so you can easy quick catch some bait. Like, comment, subscribe.